sponsors, Wisdom CRM staff, our partners, esteemed guests, those who are here physically and those who are here virtually, members of the media, students. It is with great pleasure that I greet you this afternoon as we celebrate the achievements of this 7th cycle of Wisdom CRM's Sustainable Stock Market Game. Though we use the word game, the stock market game in our schools provides more than entertainment. It serves as a vehicle for financial literacy for a diverse group of students from various socioeconomic backgrounds. In the game, students are given a virtual portfolio and with guidance from an AI tutor, make decisions to invest in companies listed in regional and international stock exchanges to build wealth. Why is this important? Usually at this time of the year, just after the SEA results are announced, our media is abuzz with comments on the perceived inequality created and fostered by the SEA examinations. This year, maybe the attention has been less because it was overtaken by our preparations for Hurricane Beryl. But the issue of inequality remains. The 2022 report on economic development Welcome. The 2022 report on economic development in Latin America and the Caribbean by the CAF Development Bank of Latin America concludes that the level of inequality in Latin America and the Caribbean is among the highest in the world. This high level of inequality has deep roots that drive its persistence over time. In addition, the level of social mobility, that is, the opportunity to improve our socioeconomic status, for families to move out of poverty or to improve the quality of their lives, is low. And we refer to this as intergenerational inequality. So again, why is this important? And why is this relevant in this award ceremony? Social mobility impacts economic development, such as national growth and political institutional stability. To quote the report, the lack of social mobility lends to alter incentives for effort and distort the formation and allocation of human talent, thereby affecting productivity levels and growth. It is not about some people or those people, but all people. High social mobility increases the well-being of all citizens. The provision of high-quality education from early childhood to tertiary levels is crucial for promoting intergenerational social mobility. Integrating financial literacy programs into the school curriculum ensures that all students have access to financial education. Sponsorship of literacy programs by organizations such as the Scotiabank Trinidad and Tobago Foundation and all the other sponsors present here facilitates equity, supporting those students according to their level of need. Simply put, The Wisdom CRM Sustainable Stock Market Game contributes to social mobility and reducing social inequality. You sponsors contribute to this. In this cycle, the program has expanded beyond the shores of Trinidad and Tobago to Guyana, well on its way to becoming a Caribbean-wide one. With 150 secondary schools in this cycle, we look forward to having participation from all secondary schools very soon. Students' accounts of their experiences in the Sustainable Wisdom Stock Market Game speak to it having a profound impact as they learn how to invest in local and international companies and to engage artificial intelligence in the process. The impact is beyond investment decisions as they learn to research, work in teams, focus attention, all the while enjoying the activities and appreciating how their decisions affect the consequences that follow. Parents and teachers have also become students, benefiting, perhaps for the first time, from exposure to any financial education. In some cases, roles were reversed as young people became the teachers, the leaders of tomorrow, starting to lead early. The engagement of parents in this program goes beyond the financial literacy opportunity, as it provides the opportunity for building and developing relationships within the family, creating and enhancing nurturing environments within the home. On behalf of the Board of Directors and the staff of the Catholic Education Board of Management, I commend all the students, the teachers, the parents who participated in this 7th cycle. My heartfelt congratulations to you students who have excelled, and my deep gratitude to those sponsors who have made these achievements possible. Students, as we celebrate you as individuals today, I am very mindful of your potential for long-term impact on the growth and the stability of our beloved country. May Almighty God continue to lead you to develop to your fullest potential as children of God, citizens of Trinidad and Tobago, CARICOM, and of the world community. Thank you.